Tell me if this has happened to you in the past, what, 3 weeks. You're at a party or you're talking to a friend and they're like, hey, have you seen what's happening with Bitcoin? Dude, I made $500. Or, hey, did you guys get into Ethereum? I've made $5,000 in the past 3 months. This is like free money. Well, if that has happened to you, or at the store you're overhearing people talk about cryptocurrency, or your neighbor is like, I'm making $200 a day in cryptocurrency, well, this is the video for you. Because I'm trying to help you understand what is the quickest way, the most convenient way, as well as the best UI, so that you can get into investing in the cryptocurrency market as soon as possible with Robinhood. Hey guys, welcome back to Bill Cundiff Tech, and today we're going over how Robinhood can really elevate your cryptocurrency exchange game. See, you want to be buying and selling really quick, and sometimes the convenient, the easy way may be the best way for you, especially if you're getting in, you don't want to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum for the long term. You just want to buy, sell, play with the money that you have in there because you know the risk. See, on Bill Cundiff Tech, we talk about financial planning, financial understanding cryptocurrencies, stocks, what I am investing in, and helping you learn and grow your portfolio. From my past videos, it seems like many of you that are watching have not subscribed yet. It would mean the world to me if you could please hit the subscribe button as well as the like button. I'm trying to grow the channel and reach as many people as possible, just like you, that want to learn about their finances and really grow together. All right, let's talk about Robinhood. See, many of you are probably on Robinhood investing in stocks, or have at least heard a lot about Robinhood recently. And what you may have also heard is that Robinhood is now allowing many states in the US to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And I need to talk a little bit into what that actually means, so you know what you're getting into when you go down that route, or if you were to go down that route. See, with Robinhood, you're actually not buying the actual cryptocurrency. What you're doing is you are buying the price of crypto at that point, with the intention that if you were to sell, that Robinhood would pay you the price of that cryptocurrency at that exact market time. So you don't actually have the rights to the keys of that cryptocurrency. It's actually in the hands of Robinhood. So if you want to exchange that to a virtual wallet or a different brokerage, you wouldn't be able to do that, unlike in some other marketplaces where you would. Now, this doesn't allow you to cold store, so you're not able to put this on flash drives, hard drives, store it in a safe place. You're betting on Robinhood to insure you on this, which they are FDIC insured up to $250,000. So you do have backing on that, and you have some room of insurance just in case something very bad goes down with Robinhood, whether they get hacked, so on and so forth. Alright, I know that may sound bad, that you're actually not owning the Bitcoin that you may be buying. But if you're just a beginner and you want to trade, does it really matter? I'm posing this question to you, and it's yours to answer for yourself. See, if you're just buying and selling and Robinhood's willing to do that for you on the back end, and you don't care to really get into cold storage or transferring to a virtual wallet to make transactions on the crypto, then it may be the most convenient and easiest way to do, because Robinhood has an amazing user experience. The visuals are amazing, the tracking is amazing. You could see the live feed, the day, the week, the month, the 3-month, the year, the 5-year. You get to see so much in a short little window, as well as you have access to, most likely, the cryptocurrencies you're trying to get into, whether that be the big boys like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or it's some of the altcoins that are fun to play with, just like Dogecoin that I've talked about in many of my videos. They give you that opportunity to get invested into these. And in many of the brokerages, you see fees when you're buying and selling, and that could really deter you from actually making purchases and really transacting. But with Robinhood, there is no fees. You have a flat expense right off the bat. And I want to correct myself a little bit, because what many people don't understand is that Robinhood has no fees for stocks, but it can technically have fees for cryptocurrency exchanges, because in their nice little fine print that everyone likes to talk about that is actually a real thing, they put that they can actually up the price of these cryptocurrencies that are being exchanged, the price that you see, that market value, with fees that come from the miners. And to get in a little bit of mining, cryptocurrency is mined digitally, but miners need to do that to actually make the cryptocurrency, so they need some sort of fee for making it, otherwise they're not making any money in business, so someone has to pay them. Robinhood is not going to pay all those fees all the time, so sometimes that may be charged to your price that you are paying. Is very minimal for the most part, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. But if you're just buying and selling, it's a simple way to look online. Here's the price I'm buying for, here's the price I'm selling for. I don't need to worry about fees because this is what's happening. That sounds pretty good for me. I do a lot of my crypto investing on Robinhood, and because it's fun, it's simple, easy, and I'm able to quickly go through, buy and sell when I need to. Yes, there are hangups too. Don't forget, only a few weeks ago, Robinhood halted all cryptocurrency trading. Sometimes they have outages. This is huge problems, and if the stock market is crashing, that can definitely affect your portfolio. So know there are risks, and there's also risk with just investing in cryptocurrencies. They're going to really raise your risk tolerance. I mean, much higher than most equities, but you are getting a lot of potential with that volatility to make money, as well as just the growth potential over time. Many of these cryptocurrencies have a lot of upside that you can capitalize on, and that's probably what you've been hearing a lot of your neighbors, friends, and family doing as well. They're capitalizing on that opportunity. I have also been capitalizing, as you've been seeing my gains in Dogecoin. I've been in Bitcoin for a long time in that lull area. So crypto has been a huge portion of my portfolios, but when I say huge, it's not that big in percentage. Personally, for myself, I like to keep my crypto range between 5% and 15%. Yes, I will up and down that depending on swings, depending on if I'm selling or buying or not, what the deal is on the market. But remember to keep in context how much money you're throwing in this. If you're just like, hey, I want to put $500 in this account and I want to make as much money as possible, I don't care if I lose it, I want to YOLO in, good for you. That is your choice. I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you advice to buy, sell, do whatever you want. I'm only providing you with an educational piece and what I am doing in the market. Please do not mimic any of my moves. I'm just here to help you in whatever way you need and the information you're trying to get to grow. So if you are trying to do that stuff, hey, go for it. And I think Robinhood's a great place to get that started. You're getting your hands in crypto. If you want to advance your game, maybe look for different markets. But if you want to start out with an easy, simple way to get through it, Robinhood may be your answer. So if you do want to do that, please, down below is my Robinhood link. You're going to get 2 free stocks, and this is the best part about it. I'll get you started for you. With those 2 free stocks, sell them immediately. Whatever you get, whether that's $10, $15, $200, sell it, go right into cryptocurrency. That way, you have your name in the game, you didn't spend any money, and you're starting to figure out how the market works. You'll see the swings, you'll see the percentages on Robinhood, and you start to get a taste in it. Now you could talk to your buddy down the street, you're like, hey, I got some Bitcoin too. Let's talk. What are you thinking? I'm happy I could help you out. Hopefully you learned something, and please, again, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you all later. See ya.